This video will demonstrate how to determine the equation of a line that contains a given point and is perpendicular to a given line. So let's go through this example problem. What is the equation of the line that passes through the point -4, -1 and is perpendicular to y equals -1/2 x plus 3? So on your calculator, the first thing you're going to do is add a graphs page. Once you have the graphs page open, we're going to put a grid on there. So we're going to press Menu, number 2, View, and then number 6, Grid, and choose 3, Lined Grid. Okay. Next, we're going to add the equation. So in F1, we're going to type in -1 divided by 2 x plus 3. Press Enter, and there is our function. Now we're going to go to Menu, and we're going to construct a line on top of the function. So we go to Geometry, number 8. We're going to choose number 1, Points and Lines, and then choose number 4, Line. And we're going to choose 2 points that are nice, and we can see them clearly on the grid. So now this black line is on top of and identical to the line that we graphed. Press Escape to get out of that tool menu. And now we're going to put the given point on the grid, -4, -1. Press Menu, Geometry, number 1, Points and Lines, and choose number 1 point. And we want to graph -4, -1, so we go over 4 and down 1. And press Escape to get out of that tool. To check that we put the correct point, you're going to right-click or press Control Menu on your handheld and show coordinates and equations, number 7. So now we can see the coordinate is correct. It's supposed to be -4, -1. Next, go to the menu again, choose Geometry, and this time we're going to construct number 4, the perpendicular line, number 1. And you can see if you hover over the tool, it asks us to click the line and then the point through which the perpendicular should pass. So the first thing we're going to do is click the black line, then the point -4, -1, and press Enter. Now we can see the perpendicular line that goes through the equation -1/2 x plus 3. To check this one, we press Escape to get out of that tool, then right-click on the perpendicular line, choose number 7, Coordinates and Equations, and there it is. So we can see the perpendicular line is y equals 2x plus 7. To verify that this is perpendicular to the line that was given, we can compare their slopes. The blue line from the problem has a slope of -1/2, and the perpendicular slope has a slope of 2. One is positive, one is negative, and they're also opposite reciprocals, so that verifies that the 2 lines are perpendicular.